we are introducing Maya and her mother discussing in their garden.
Mom, my baby plant is dying. I give it water and sunlight, but still, look at my baby plant.
That's because your baby plant is hungry, not for water, but for food.
Like Mama chips, can I give her chips?
No, not like chips, but like composting.
Composting? Mama, what's that? Can you tell me what is this?
Okay, beta, let me take you to the magic world of composting. While most people throw kitchen waste away, few realizes it's a gift for our garden. Composting reduces waste, protects the environment, and helps the plant grow naturally without any chemicals or cost. Scene 2, now gardener enters with his sister.
Now, have you prepared compost for Mr. Sharma's garden?
No, not yet. Hello, gardener uncle. My baby plant is dying. How can I save him?
Sure, we can save your plant with the help of organic gardening and compost. Let me show you how the compost is made. We will start with brown waste like these dry leaves and vegetable peels.
Now, next step comes is to pour green waste into the container. Green waste includes vegetable peels and tea leaves.
Mix it well and keep it in a container with small holes and pour some water in it.
Gardener Didi, can I also call my friend Good? Yes, why not? Good, please come here.
Share it once a week in 30 to 40 days. Black gold, this is a compost, a gift for your garden.
And remember, wet and dry waste should keep separately. It makes composting easier and helps our waste collector too.
No organic compost, right? Make the earth healthy and bright.
दिशाएं देखो रंग भरी चमक रही उमंग भरी ये कितने फूल फूल पे ये कितने फूल फूल पे पिया सिंगार है ये कौन चित्रकार है ये कौन चित्रकार ये कौन चित्रकार है